Sana from EQ Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. We have a Mr. A.K. Singh from Novasys, President Solar. Hi sir, how are you doing?
Very fine, great, going.
Super. And today please give us a small intro about yourself and your company.
Yeah. Myself, Ashok Kumar Singh. I am President, Novasys Solar. And Novasys Greenergy is module manufacturing company based at Nagpur. And right now we have 1.2 gigawatt capacity. And very soon we are expanding to 3.2 gigawatt.
And what are the products you are displaying this year expo?
The focus is to Lynx series, that is N-type TOPCon module, which is the market demand now growing up. We are also expanding, keeping that new technology in mind.
And how about policies from the government? Is it beneficial? How about your what you can share about that?
Government policy is definitely beneficial to solar industry. That's why we are booming up and expanding the business. PM Surya Ghar Yojana with subsidy for residential projects and solar pumps. Even open access projects are growing up because of the growing, increasing electricity bill. So solar is very beneficial. So entire industry is growing up.
Wow. And how was the business last year?
We did very good business last year, almost double of what we did in the last year. We have exceeded 500 crore this year.
Super sir. And this year, what's the target?
With the expansion plan in mind, actually, and the market expansion requirements, we are targeting 1,000 plus this year.
Great. All the best. And last, please share a few words about the experience in our solar and which you want to share to others.
Solar industry definitely is the need of hour today and good for the human being as well. Promoting green energy, climate, controlling the climate change, what is happening nowadays. So I would just request everyone to go for solar, go for green energy. Thank you.
Super sir. Thank you so much.